Hi Mates, I hope you are doing well. This video I will be unboxing the December box from the Stationery Selection. So here is the front cover. You can pause and see the items on the list here. And I'm just going to go down the list and show you what's inside. The first thing on the list is the Bokuundo 6 watercolor set in the pearl. Let me show you mine that I opened up already. Let me show you mine that the one that I've already opened up, and you can see what it looks like. I will show you the swatches as well at the end of the video. I made some homemade postcards, holiday postcards, using these watercolors. And of course, don't forget to check out the blog for some videos from our design team members as well, using these items. Next one here is the Bokuundo Saishiki Fude brush, and it looks like that. I will also show you mine that I've used up. It looks like this. It's not wet, so it's still a bit hard, but you can see it looks like that. And there were some requests from people to include like I guess a Japanese or a different style of brush. So there's that. Next one on the list is the classic-y 100% mini cotton towel. And my thought behind including this was that you can use the towel to wipe off any excess water from your brush, but you could also use this just as a regular handkerchief. In Japan, it's very common to have a handkerchief with you. If you go to the washroom, like the public washrooms, the public restrooms, they don't have towels or the paper towels to dry your hands, so it's very common to have a handkerchief with you to dry your hands. So you can just use it for that instead, just to be more environmentally friendly. Or you can also, of course, use it to wipe your brush, but it's very soft and it's a nice big size. You can see there. I'm trying to see if I've already used it, but it's kind of hard to see the spots where I've wiped it down. But anyways, I've already used it, and that's what it looks like. It's nice and soft. Next on the list is the xoxo pencil sharpener, and you will see there's a white version, blue, pink, and black. So yeah, that's the pencil sharpener, and you'll see why later on. Next is the Kuretake Bimoji Fude pen in black ink. It looks like this. Next on the list is the Maruman Vif Art watercolor paper in the postcard size. I used these postcards and I've created some handmade holiday cards. I'm still they're very like amateurish, but I still want to share with you later on in the video. Next on the list is the Mitsubishi dual color pencil, and I chose the Eco version. I believe this one is made out of like recycled materials. I don't know if you notice it there, but that's why it's like a different kind of color. The body is a different color. And there's a red tip there and a blue. Let me show you what mine looks like. This is what it looks like. I used the pencil sharpener to sharpen these pencils, or this pencil here. So there's the red and then the blue. And then the last one is an eraser from Plus, and I know on the label it says black, but the person that they made a mistake and sent me the mint green one, and I didn't have enough time. I didn't want the boxes to be delayed any further because this is December's box, and I wanted people to get their box before Christmas, and so you have the mint green eraser in the W Air in from Plus. So those are the items in December's box. A lot of requests for an artsy type of box. I know we had one in the summertime And there's a lot of requests for like more of the art supplies again, so I decided to bring it back since it's been almost half a year since our last artsy type of box. So once again, these are the items, and don't forget to check out the blog, and there will be some blog posts from our design team members. So let me show you what I did, my holiday cards, my handmade holiday cards. So these are my holiday handmade cards, and these circles are supposed to be ornaments, and I'm supposed to draw some kind of like string and a little bit of a closure thing here, but I really don't know how or what I want to do yet. So in the meantime, my husband's like, oh, they look like nice little bubbles. I just wanted to show you like a close-up so you can see the beautiful, beautiful shimmer. And this paper is the same paper that's included in the kit. My handwriting is not that great, but it says Merry Christmas, and I tried to do various paint colors there. So pretty. There's this one. So I'm just going to quickly flip through them. Some of them I received help from my kids. But I think it's always a nice touch to, you know, hand make your, if you have time, you can hand make your holiday cards. There's one that's, I think my daughter helped me with this one. So I'll probably put this in my journal somewhere. But yeah, it's really nice, pretty shimmer. And they're really great for accents. And in my earlier ones, I did an outline in black, but then I think later on I didn't do the outline, I just kind of left it as is, so I think I will leave it. I'm not going to include anything else. But yeah, you can see the beautiful shimmer. These are all done by the paints that were included in the kit. I really like how this one turned with all the, I believe I used all of the colors in this one. So there's like the pink and the blues and the greens, and they kind of all mix together. But so yeah, that's it for this month. For December, we will be working through the holiday season. I don't see myself really taking a holiday off. Usually, you know, at the end of the year in North America, there's like a huge holiday. In Japan, it's not really big here. December 25th isn't a big thing. It's more of a New Year thing. So I have made a notice in the next box, but we will be taking about a week off in January. I believe from the 12th to the 21st, I believe it is. So during that time, I will not be replying to any emails or anything like that. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email instead of DM. Email is the best way to go. Unfortunately, we are sold out again of the next box, so I will be releasing February's box in early January. Not January the 1st, but I will announce the date later on. More to come on that. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to check out the hashtag, the stationery selection, and you can see how other people are using their beautiful items. Thank you so much for all your support in 2018. I'm very excited to have 2019 come around now that I am able to get my kids in daycare, even if it's just once a week. It kind of frees my time, and my mind is like in a rush trying to figure things out. But I'm very excited for 2019. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.